who draws.
Hi, my name is Kurt, and this is my studio. Well, today I'm going to show you how to draw a beaver. Now this beaver is great because we're going to use a cylinder to draw a tree trunk, and he has a lot of square edges to him, so it's going to create a lot of contrast. I think you're going to like it. Come on, let's get in the studio. First thing we want to do is start with a straight line to be the top of his head, and then a little bit straight on the left for the side of his head, and then we're going to curve all the way up to pick up his jaw and the back. Let's go ahead and work on one of his arms. So nice curve line coming around, and then the straight on the inside of his arm. I'm always trying to use straight lines and curve lines, and this actually creates a lot of contrast and makes our drawings look really interesting. It's something to keep in the back of your mind. Let's go ahead and get this log in here. As you can see, I'm drawing one side of the log and then drawing the end of it by using a long cylinder. And if you're not sure how to draw ellipses or cylinders, here's a link right above you that I have a whole video given on that. Let's get his hands in here, and right now I'm just kind of drawing them flat, almost like a little flat post-it note that's resting on the log. We'll come back in a little bit later and draw his fingers. Let's get the rest of his body here. Almost kind of straight or a slight curve for his back. Straight in the back there, and then a curve up to the bottom and his feet. A nice S curve for his tail. And a nice sweeping C curve for the back end of his tail. Let's draw some scallop shapes for the area of our log where he's biting out of, and these are just small little scallop shapes. And I'm drawing very light. You always want to draw as light as you can for your underdrawing. Whoa! Hey, if you're liking this video, go down there and give me a thumbs up. You got this! One of the skills that any beginning artist or any artist really needs to learn is how much pressure to push down on their pencils and how to draw lightly. We have a small triangle for his nose, a very square shape for his teeth with a little thickness on the side. And we're going to put his eye toward the top of his head and a small little ear off the back. Now this would be a great time to pause the video and to make sure your drawing looks pretty close, clean anything up. We're going to add a little bit of texture or pattern to his tail in the back. And let's go ahead now start filling in with some dark lines. If you like this video, I would really appreciate a big thumbs up. It helps YouTube to get this out to other people, and it really does help. All right, well, we're coming up on our 5-minute mark here. You can refer to the drawings on the left-hand side, and if you want to color it, you can see how I've applied color. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed our beaver drawing, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.